Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI hosting, there's something you need to know first. Because this software claims that AI hosting lets you host unlimited websites, unlimited domains, includes AI-powered optimization, security, backups, business emails, CDN, and even client hosting features. No monthly fees. So the big question is AI hosting actually worth it? Or is it just another overhyped launch product? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what AI hosting is, what you get, the pros, the cons, who it's for, who should avoid it, and I've also put together some exclusive bonuses for anyone who decides to grab it through my link. Now, let's continue. What is AI hosting? AI hosting is an AI-powered web hosting platform. AI hosting aims to give users lifetime access to a hosting environment where they can host unlimited websites, connect unlimited domains, install WordPress and other applications, manage client websites, create business email accounts, protect sites with security tools, and optimize website performance automatically using AI. Benefits: why people are interested. Unlimited websites. Most hosting companies limit how many sites you can host unless you upgrade. AI. Hosting claims to remove those limits. No monthly fees. Traditional hosting can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. AI. Hosting positions itself as a one-time payment solution. AI optimization. The platform automatically handles caching, compression, performance tuning, and resource allocation, meaning less technical work. Business opportunity. Users can potentially host client websites and keep the profits using the included commercial rights. For agencies and freelancers, that could be a very attractive feature. Here's what you get inside AI hosting. Unlimited website hosting, unlimited domains and subdomains, AI speed optimization engine, AI security and threat protection, daily automated backups, free SSL certificates, global CDN acceleration, one-click WordPress and app installer, unlimited business email accounts, AI migration assistant, traffic spike auto-scaling, agency client sub-accounts, developer tools including PHP, Node, Git, and SSH support, built-in analytics and uptime monitoring, and a centralized dashboard to manage everything from one place. Honest pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly dashboard, unlimited website hosting, commercial rights included, useful for agencies and freelancers. AI automation reduces technical workload. Cons: advanced businesses may still require premium enterprise hosting. And, as always, results depend on how you actually use the platform. Results: what to expect. If you're expecting AI hosting to magically build a business for you, that's not what it does. What it can potentially do is reduce your hosting costs, simplify website management, and provide a centralized place to run multiple websites. That could translate into better efficiency and potentially more profit. But it's a hosting solution, not a push-button money machine. Now let's talk about the exclusive bonuses you'll receive if you grab AI hosting through my link. Bonus 1. Website Profit Accelerator Kit. Value $297. You'll get my collection of website monetization resources designed to help you turn your websites into income-generating assets faster. Bonus 2. AI Traffic and SEO Domination Blueprint. Value $297. This shows you how to use AI tools and modern SEO strategies to drive more traffic to your websites and improve rankings. Total bonus value $594, and you'll get everything completely free when you pick up AI hosting through my link. So, is AI hosting worth it? If you're someone who owns multiple websites, wants to avoid recurring hosting fees, likes the idea of AI-powered optimization, or plans to host client websites, then AI hosting looks like a very interesting offer. If you'd like to check out AI hosting and claim all of my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next review.